Hello everyone. Today we teach you to upgrade the old Lexus car radio. This car has a long history, and the car radio function has been unable to meet the current needs, so it will be upgraded to Android car radio. This is an upgraded Android car radio, super large screen, feature-rich, supports wireless Carplay Android Auto, where you can use voice assistants, make phone calls, listen to music, use online navigation, etc. So you want to know how to upgrade? Please follow the video to watch. First, use the tool to loosen the snap of the air outlet panel. Take the panel off, and then remove the plug line on the back. Next, we start the vehicle, brake, dial to the N gear, set a side enough position to take down the panel. Also pull out its plug. Now remove the left and right sides of the gray panel. You can see this inside each has a screw. They need to be screwed down. Now we will screw off the top two screws, and then take out the whole host. Remove all the plugs on the back of the mainframe. Now we dismantle these two original metal frames. Okay, now remove the original car CD host. Then the removed metal frames is installed on both sides of the CD host. We are about to get ready to install this plastic panel on the back of our new screen, and then screw up 4 screws. Now install the whole new screen to this CD host. Start connecting wires. This is a GPS antenna. This is the video input line. This is a USB transmission line. It has to This is the RCA line. This is CAN box, which is connected to the no power line. Connect the communication serial port on the new power line. Connect 2 key panel plugs on the new power line. Now connect the OBD cable to the new power cord. Then the other end of the OBD is connected to the original car OBD interface. Connect this yellow plug to the video input line. Then the red and white plug is connected to the RCE line. Start to connect the original car plug. We dock according to the size. If not the same, then do not need to connect. Then these two males on the no power line are inserted into the CD host. Then the remaining socket is still connected to the original plug. OK, connect the screen power plug, and then install the entire screen. Refixed it. Then reconnect the plug of the panel and install the panel back. Reconnect the outlet plug and install the outlet. Refix the screws on the left and right sides, then put the outer gray panel back. Now that the installation is completed, we need to debug canvas before use. We enter the settings system factory settings, enter the password canvas. Settings, select the canvas brand, select the vehicle, select the model you click to determine. Remember, the first setting is the need to connect Wi-Fi. After the setting is completed, you can use the button to control. The original car air conditioning can also use the screen operation. Support original car camera reversing image. Support Bluetooth phone. Support the use of steering wheel keys to listen, ham up. You can play local or other app online music. Can adjust the timbre of the sound. Can adjust the size of each seat to hear the sound. Can automatically search the radio station. Okay, the video is here. Thank you for watching.